Question 33. We are purchasing carpet tiles to cover an area that is 8 1/3 feet wide by 10 feet long. Now the carpet squares or carpet tiles are 20 inches wide by 20 inches long. So we know the smallest number of carpet tiles that we need to purchase in order to cover this whole entire area. The first thing that I notice is that this is given in feet, and then our carpet squares are given in inches. So I'm going to convert the 20 inches wide by 20 inches long, I'm going to convert that to feet. So in order to do that, I'm just going to take 20 and I'm going to divide it by 12 because there's 12 inches in a foot. So when I do that, I get 1 2/3. Okay, so this gives me 1 2/3. Or if you do this on your calculator, you would see that this would be 5/3. Same thing. All right, so we have this big area of his living room, and then we have these little carpet tiles that we're trying to fill up, right? And we want to know the least amount that we need to buy. So if I look, it's 8 1/3 feet wide. So if I take, this is my total distance, and this is how much each square is. So I'm going to take my total distance, and I'm going to divide it by the length of each square. So when I divide that, again, this is all just calculator work. Right, so I'm going to have, let's see, we have 8 1/3, so 8 1/3. So if you don't know how to do that on your 8 1/3 on your calculator, you can hit alpha y equals, and you can come in here and you can do like this. So 8 1/3, and I need to divide that by, again, the length of one carpet square, which we know is 5/3, or 1 2/3, either way. So 5 divided by 3, and that gives me 5. So I need 5 tiles across. Okay, so we need 5 tiles across, and then it is 10 feet long. So now I have to figure out how many they go down. So now we just have 10 feet, so I'm going to take 10 divided by the length of one of the carpet squares, and that gives me 6. So this way I would need 6. So if I multiply that to figure out the area, because I'm not just doing just the edge, I'm doing the whole entire area, right? So I'm just going to take 5 times 6, which gives me 30. So we would need to buy 30 carpet squares.